Alright guys, so we're going to be constructing a 45-degree angle now. Alright, so here we go. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to construct a 90-degree angle. So we're going to get that ball rolling. So there. This is the vertex where the angle should be constructed. So again, have the compass. And I'm going to open. There. I'm going to put the point here. I'm going to swing an arc. Come around here. Swing an arc. Now I'm going to take up the compass and all I'm going to do is just extend it a little bit more. Just like that. Alright. And I'm going to put the point here. Swing an arc. Lift it up without shifting. Put a point here. Swing an arc, and what essentially I'm doing here is just constructing the 90-degree angle. Now try to make sure that the line goes through that point, or it's going to be a little bit off. Okay, so we now have the 90-degree angle constructed. Now notice that I swung the arcs here as evidence of the construction. Now, what you don't want to do is to do too much of an elaborate part, because after a while things might be a little bit confusing based on what I'm going to do now. So all I'm going to do is I'm just gonna let's see, open a compass point like that, right? Not too big, just like that, and I'm going to put by the compass point here at the vertex, and I'm just going to swing another arc coming all the way around. And essentially what I want is these 2 points right here. So I'm just going to emphasize it with the ready, that point there and that point there. Those are the points that I want to swing from to now get my 45-degree angle. So what I'm going to do here is just extend it now a little bit, and I'm going to put the point here. I'm going to swing an arc. I'm going to lift up without shifting, put it back here, swing an arc. Now where both arcs intersect, all I'm going to do is draw a line from the original vertex through the intersection of both arcs, just like that. And then from here to here should be 45 degrees. And also from here to here should be another 45 degrees. So note, again, just emphasizing from here to here is 45 degrees. When I construct a 45-degree angle here, indirectly, I'm also constructing a 135-degree angle here from this point coming all the way around. Why? Because the sum of angles on a straight line must always add to give you 180. So if this is 45 that I constructed, how did I get the 45 angle? I constructed a 90 first, then swung an arc, and essentially bisected the 90 to get 45, right? But when I construct a 45-degree angle, I'm also indirectly constructing 135 here, because 180 minus 45 will give you 135. So lastly, all I'm going to do is just check to see if the angle is correct. And there you go. 10, 20, 30, 40, and 45 is in between 40 and 50 degrees. So that would be a correct construction. Let's do it one more time. So I'm constructing a 45-degree angle. Firstly, I'm going to construct a 90-degree angle. And you can choose which of the methods of construction of a 90-degree angle you want to use. It's up to you. I like to use a simpler one. So there's a point. I have the compass locked. Just going to open it. I'm going to put the compass point here. I'm going to swing an arc. Swing an arc. Lift it up. Just extend it a little bit. Just like that. Then don't shift anymore. Put a compass point here. Swing an arc, lift it up without shifting. Put a compass point here. Swing an arc, lift, and draw a line from here through the point of intersection, which is here. So I'm just going to take this line and do that. All right. Next thing is we want to bisect that 90-degree angle. What if we wanted to create the 45-degree angle on this side? Because if this is 90, obviously that is 90 as well. So if I wanted to do the 45 on this side, again, compass point is closed. I'm just going to open it up like that. I'm just going to put it here. Let me just do it a little bit bigger so I don't interfere with this one. So I'm just going to do this. Swing an arc coming around. And again, the focus is this point and this point. Just for emphasis, that point. So I'm going to take the compass and just open it a little bit, just like that. And put a compass point here. Swing an arc, lift without shifting, put a compass point here, swing an arc, and then of course I'm going to take the ruler and draw a line from here through the intersection of the two arcs. So I just essentially bisected the 90-degree angle. So from here to here would be 45 degrees. And if I were to come around like this, this would be 135 degrees on this side. So when I construct a 45-degree angle, which is here, if I want the angle to go this way, then on this side I would be indirectly constructing 135 degrees. I hope you found this video insightful, and I'll see you guys on the next video.